Here's a short preview of WDWNT The RPG. In the middle of the room is this fountain, and in the center of the water, there's a hexagonal stone button with the shape of a hand painted onto it.
I think that's saying that we should press the button.
Huzzah!
You press the button, and the numbers above the door light up blue. 20. 19.
Oh no.
It starts counting down.
Oh my gosh, we're so screwed.
18.
We're gonna die.
17.
Do the doors open?
16. The door has not opened yet.
Oh
Something
no.
bad is going to
15.
happen in 15 seconds.
14.
Is it a countdown until the door opens?
13.
We need to run.
12.
Where do we run?
Where to
Press the
Yeah.
button again.
11.
Press the button again.
Yeah, press it again.
10.
I'm pushing the button again.
You push the button again, the number goes back to 20. 20.
Oh,
All right.
19.
great.
Release that.
We're
18.
We gotta. What more is there to
17.
Let's
Oh.
get out here.
16.
There was another door we could run through, right?
Yeah.
15. Both
But it's
doors are
closed.
currently
Oh, that's
closed.
right.
Shut.
14.
Then at this point, whatever
13.
happens. I mean,
12.
doors will open.
Now listen, we still have
11.
that lock kit. You have that lock kit. What if we go
10.
back in the same
The
direction? we came?
numbers start turning red, and the flames that are currently in your room start dimming down.
Oh boy.
9.
I am gonna take my advantage and
8.
use my. I'm gonna light my lantern.
7.
Hit
Okay.
the button though again.
You go
I hit
ahead.
the button again. I hit the
Yeah.
button.
You hit the
again.
button again, and it goes back to 20. 20, and the lights turn back on. The numbers are back to being blue. 20.
Cassie, you're a park person.
19.
What do you do?
Listen,
Okay.
every time the numbers hit
It has to be red.
I hit the button again.
16.
Okay.
15.
Can I inspect the doors?
14. You can inspect the doors.
Okay.
13.
I rolled a 2.
12. You see nothing you can do on the door. There's no handle. 12.
I hit the button again.
I'm investigating.
20.
One.
19. You still can't find. What did you investigate?
I don't know. I'm just looking around looking for an emergency exit.
Or we just wait till it hits 1. I lit my lantern. We'll be able to see.
15.
When the fire comes on, I could
14.
freeze something.
13.
I
12.
say out loud, drum, mask, leaf.
Oh, that's a
11.
good idea.
10.
Oh.
I
The,
hit the
light,
button again.
the numbers have now turned red, and the flames on the wall are dimming. 9.
I hit the button again.
So,
Eight.
are the flames going down?
How do
20.
we get out of this? We're stuck.
Lights
in a
are back
loop.
on. 19.
Do we just
18.
let it go to 1 and see what happens?
17.
I mean, at this point, what else is
16.
there to do? You can't pick them.
15.
You can't pick
I
the
don't know
lock.
what else to do. Yeah.
14.
There's nothing to like
13.
sacrifice, right? Like, can I just like
I-
throw my hand in the water?
I investigate
11.
the other walls. I investigate the other walls.
There is absolutely nothing. Oh, we'll roll. Never mind.
All right.
There's nothing on the walls. I already said it. 11. 10. The lights have now dimmed down. There are the flames on the wall. The
All right, should we
numbers are
go
turning
down?
red. 9.
Oh my
8.
gosh, we're gonna die.
Are we all
7.
agreeing to let this hit 1?
6.
Yeah.
Let it hit one.
5. The
I
flames
take, I
in the
take a sip of
room.
rum.
The flames
Yeah,
in the
that's a
room
good
are
idea.
now completely out. Only
Oh
the
my
light
God.
from your lantern is illuminating the room. The numbers are now flashing yellow as the door slowly begins to lift up 1 centimeter. 5.
What?
4.
It's
3.
opening.
The lights on the wall are now flashing.
Oh my
2.
gosh.
The door opens, barely enough for you to get your arm under. 2, 1, 0. The flames light back up, and the 2 doors open.
What?
Wait.
It was show countdown clock.
Oh.
You guys, we've restarted the Tiki Room show several times.
So I walk into the next room.
Yeah. I'm getting the heck out of
Let's
this
take
room.
one more sip of that water before leaving.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
If you're just joining us, this is WDWNT The RPG. They just pushed a button 4 times to reset a timer. And
right.
the doors are now open.